Within live blood analysis, we always look at the health of the gut. And one of the things that we can see are candida buds or yeast buds, and mostly we can see that in phase contrast. And this is due to a permeable gut or a leaky gut. And what happens is the lining of the gut is impaired, and then fermented yeast and candida leaks into the blood. So basically the gut starts to ferment and produce this candida. So far there's been about 86 types of candida that has been recognised, and when you have yeast buds, they can hit the brain within 30 minutes, causing extreme lethargy, fatigue and brain fog. Actually, all health starts in the gut. And if you imagine when this gets into the plasma and it shouldn't be there, the autoimmune or the immune response is awful. So all of the white blood cells will start to engage or surround these candida buds, and you will therefore get an incredibly strong immune response. And if your immune cells or your white blood cells are going after this in the blood, they're not going after other things, and they're not fighting pathogens or viruses or bacteria. And sometimes you can have people that's got latent viruses in their system. They pop up because the immune system or the white blood cells are having to deal with all this other debris. So at Evolve, we always make sure that we scan the blood and in live blood analysis, and we address, so we get rid of these candida buds, but at the same time we heal and we seal the gut. And quite often when we see the candida buds, we also have other indications in the blood. And you can see there's something here called an undigested colloid or symplast. And what that is, it's a protein substance. So again, this means a permeable gut or a leaky gut and poor protein digestion over a long period of time. It accumulates these undigested food particles and toxins, and they all bind together, and you get this large pockets or large pieces of undigested protein. So again, this should not be in the plasma, it should not be in the blood. So again, you have to heal and seal the gut. And people do not realise the connection between things like autoimmune thyroidosis, Hashimoto's, Graves, etc., which in turn can cause adrenal fatigue. And many other autoimmune responses can be from a leaky gut where the immune system is over-engaging. And if you imagine it's engaging continually and it actually goes into an autoimmune response. And this can cause autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia. We've already discussed Hashimoto's, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism. But a huge connection is the gut-brain. So many psychological or mental health issues can be from the gut and a leaky gut. Depression, anxiety, ADHD, and a huge part of as well are sinus problems. And people get frequent colds and food sensitivity. And again, this is because the immune system or white blood cells are so hell-bent on trying to sort this gut out. So you get rid of it with everything that I've written in the leaky gut protocol, and then we see it completely disappear in live blood analysis.